Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about service and repair for the brakes on your vehicle and inspection. You should be getting your brakes inspected regularly by a qualified technician. Usually the best time to do that is every 5,000, 6,000 miles in that area when you have the vehicle serviced for oil change, etc. As you know, these days we strongly recommend about 5,000 miles for an oil service on a vehicle. A brake inspection includes checking rotor thicknesses, brake pad thicknesses, checking the hydraulic system, making sure there's no leaks. We often see vehicles that come in unsafe conditions, such as these rotors here, that the pads have gone metal to metal because nobody's been inspecting the brakes regularly. Brake pads should be measured in millimeters. We actually have a tool that measures the thickness of the pad. And in doing so, when the pads start to get down to around 4 millimeters, it's time to consider replacing them. By the time they're at 2 millimeters, it's extremely important to have them replaced. And anybody inspecting your brakes should be giving you those measurements on the vehicle and the brake pads, so you can make a determination when it's the right time to replace your brake pads on your vehicle. If you have any questions about brakes, remember to reach out to the West Automotive Group. I'm Brian Bowersock.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Automan, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.